Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to hide or unhide the menu bar in Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you try to open the Mozilla Firefox, okay, so on the top here you can see only the title bar. Okay, so here you can open the new tab and you can open the close tabs. You can just close the tabs and all. Okay, so here you're not seeing any kind of menu options. Okay, because in this case the menu bar has been hidden. That's why you're not able to see any kind of menu options on the title bar of your Mozilla Firefox. Okay, suppose if you want to see the menu bar in the Mozilla Firefox, means for that what you can do is like here you can just right click here on the title bar on this particular region. Okay, so here you can see the menu bar option. So once you click on that menu bar, the menu bar will be selected, and here you can see the menu options on your Mozilla Firefox. So here you can see file, bookmark, tools and all. Okay, so this is how you can hide or unhide the menu bar on the Mozilla Firefox. Suppose if you want to hide this, means again you can right click on this particular region. Once you click on the menu bar again, the menu bar will be hidden and you will not be able to see the menu bar options on the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so this is how you can hide or unhide the menu bar on the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.